With so many choices, so many investment choices, there's no excuse anymore to not have a portfolio that's appropriate for you based on your needs, on your financial goals, your time horizon, and your risk tolerance. There's just an endless amount of mutual funds and exchange traded funds that give you exposure to international stocks, domestic stocks, large cap, small cap, mid cap, different sectors of the market, bonds, etc., municipal bonds, treasuries, corporate bonds, short-term bonds, long-term bonds, intermediate-term bonds. You have so many investment choices and such easy access to it that I find it incredulous to see an investor with a portfolio that's not right for them. A lot of people are in a portfolio that's wrong for them, but they don't know it. And the reason they don't know it is because their portfolio is going up. Well, how could a portfolio not be right for me if it's going up? Obviously, something that's going up is always right for me. But you have to look at the risk. Are you making a binary decision? If the portfolio goes up, it's the right portfolio for you. If it goes down, it's the wrong portfolio for you. Because it'll go up and down, up and down, and up and down. That's a terrible way to make a judgment on what's right for you and what's not.